The little seed that never gave up. In a very hot desert where nothing grew, there was a tiny seed named Sam. The desert was all dry sand and rocks. The sun was very strong every day. At night, it got very cold. No plants lived there, just some insects and a few birds. Sam lay under the hard ground. He felt lonely and scared. I want to grow, he thought, but this place is too tough. The ground is too hard. There is no water. I'll never become a plant here. One afternoon, a big white cloud floated across the blue sky. It looked down and saw little Sam under the ground. Don't be afraid, little seed, whispered the cloud. Great things start small. Even big trees were once tiny seeds like you. Then the cloud did something wonderful. It rained, not a lot, just a few drops. But for Sam, it was enough. The water went into the dry ground and reached Sam. He drank and drank until he felt stronger. Maybe I can grow after all, Sam thought happily. Sam started to grow. After drinking the water, Sam felt different. His hard shell got softer. A tiny green shoot started to push up toward the sunlight. It was hard work. The ground was very tough, but Sam kept pushing until, pop, his little green head came out of the ground. Oh, said Sam. The sunlight felt warm on his new leaves. The blue sky looked beautiful. He was so happy to be growing. Just then, a bird flew down. It was a small desert bird named Tweet. Tweet had brown feathers and quick black eyes. Yum, said Tweet when she saw Sam. A new green plant, you will make a good snack. Sam got scared. Please don't eat me, he said. If you let me grow, I'll make mini seeds later. Then you and your babies can eat them all winter. Tweet thought about this. That's a good promise, she said. Okay, I won't eat you now, but you better grow good seeds. Then she flew away. The hot summer. As days passed, Sam grew a little taller. But then summer came, and the sun got even hotter. The ground became like stone. Sam's leaves started to turn yellow. I'm so thirsty, Sam thought. My roots can't find any water. Maybe I am going to die. Nearby, there was an old cactus named Prickly. Prickly had lived in the desert for many years. He saw Sam struggling. Little plant, said Prickly in his scratchy voice, you need to send your roots deeper. The water isn't up here, it's down below. Sam listened carefully. He tried to push his roots deeper into the ground. It was hard work, but he kept trying. Down, down, down his roots went, through hard sand, past dry rocks. Then suddenly, yes, his roots found wet soil. Sam drank the cool water and immediately felt better. His leaves turned green again. Thank you, Prickly, said Sam. Sam grows up. With water now, Sam grew taller every week. His stem got thicker, his leaves got bigger, he even grew small flower buds. Tweet the bird came to visit often. She liked sitting on Sam's growing stem. You are getting big, she would say. One day, Sam felt something new. His flowers had turned into seed pods. They were fat and full of seeds. He had kept his promise to Tweet. Soon, Tweet came back with her 3 baby birds. Look, children, she said. This is the kind plant I told you about. The baby birds chirped happily. Sam dropped some seeds for them to eat. As they ate, some seeds fell on the ground nearby. A wonderful surprise. Winter came and went. When spring arrived, Sam saw something amazing. Little green plants were growing all around him. They were from the seeds that had fallen last year. Prickly the cactus laughed his scratchy laugh. "Look at that," he said. "One little seed has become many plants." Sam was so happy. He wasn't alone anymore. Now there were young plants all around him. They called him Papa Sam, even though he wasn't very old. Years later, many seasons passed. The desert looked different now. Where there used to be just sand, there was a small group of healthy plants, all because one little seed didn't give up. Animals came to visit more often. Birds built nests in the plants. Insects buzzed around the flowers. The desert wasn't so lonely anymore. Sometimes, when a new seed fell in a tough spot and felt scared, the other plants would tell Sam's story. They would say, "Be like Sam, the little seed that changed the desert."